What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great morning. So today we're going to be going over something that a lot of you guys probably looked over your heads, and a lot of people probably don't know about this, but it's a certain type of product research method that's really basic. It's really simple. Now you don't need the web app at all for this. The only thing that we do need is a Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and just like I said in a previous video, we need that for everything. Like we cannot find a good product without the Chrome extension. Well, you probably can, but it will take you a long time, much more headache, much more time consuming, and we don't want that, right? We want it simple. So definitely you guys need Jungle Scout Chrome extension, whether it's the Pro version or the Lite version. It will make our lives much more easier, because I already know how it is when it comes to product research. It's the most difficult thing to do for Amazon FBA, and everything else is just step by step. So the first thing that you guys want to do is go on Google and search up Amazon bestseller. Now, second thing you want to do is go ahead and click on it, and on Amazon you have all these different categories, right? You're on the bestseller list of all these different categories. Now, the first thing that you want to do is just pick a category, right? Pick a category that you can sell in, right? And the common misconception is that a lot of times you can't sell in things like beauty and personal care or health and household. You can sell in either of these. It does not matter. Beauty and personal care was recently open. I forgot exactly when, but I think it was this past year. But that means it's open for all these new opportunities. And I'm letting you guys on the secret on this, because not a lot of people think of this. A lot of people think it's a gated category and you can't sell in it. I'm telling you guys this now. It is a open category, and a lot of people don't know this. So that means there's a lot of products on here, secretly that are going to be good products to sell, that have a high demand, and a lot of people aren't selling them because they think this category is gated, so they're staying away from it. So that's just between you guys and me. So the first thing that you guys want to do, I'm picking this category because I want you guys to research in this category as well. I think it has a lot of opportunity. But going on to this method, if you pick a category, it doesn't matter, beauty and personal care, you want to go more specific. So I don't know, maybe tools and accessories. Let's search through this category. Now from here, we want to get more specific, right? Because when we keep clicking on these niches, right, the smaller that we go, the more niche specific products are we're gonna find. And you got to remember, the other people that are probably doing this product research method, they're probably not going to be doing the exact same way you're doing it, which is going deeper and deeper into these niches in order to find products that other people aren't finding. Because you got to realize other people are lazy, so they're not going to go this deep in a niche. So next thing, bathing accessories, hairstyle. Let's click on hairstyling tools and appliances. Alright, so a lot of this stuff looks like it's too competitive. Of course, we don't want to be selling anything like a hairbrush. So so let's look up hair irons. Alright, so these look too competitive, something that everyone is probably trying to sell. Let's look up hair rollers. I think I've looked at these before. These are a little bit competitive because a lot of people have thousands of reviews. But this is the concept, guys. Now you can do this for any category. It does not matter. There's tons and tons of products in certain niches and categories you probably haven't even thought of. And I've found many products by doing this. So let's see. These are probably competitive. I wonder what these are. It's a little cheap, $14.99. Profit margin doesn't seem that big, but let's check out the stats for it. I haven't really seen these that much. Well, I've seen these before, but I want to see how the market is. Wow, okay. It's 17. Okay, wow. Okay, we might have a winner here, right? Now, this product is something that I think has potential. Okay, now we look at the stats, right? The price is $14.99. So we're messing with the profit a little bit here. But now when we look at the revenue, $17,000. That's a lot, right? That's crazy amount. Now let's not get excited here, right? We wanna back out of this. We want to look at the most broad search term, and we want to find out how how other sellers are doing for this exact same model of this product, right? They got 65 reviews. That's nothing. So let's go on Amazon, and now we want to search the most broad keywords for this product. So hair roller, night foam, do it yourself sponge hair. So let's just look up hair rollers. Hair rollers. Remember the most broad key term, because this is what people are going to be searching when they want to find this product. So we got this guy right here. Okay, we got another version of this product. It's a blue one, and then we have another one here, then another one here, and another one here. Alright, let's look at the Jungle Scout Chrome extension for these models and see exactly if this is a good product or not. Now I know the price is a little bit down for these, but there's definitely some money to be made with that, even if the profit isn't that much because of the sales value. Okay, so the black one, or the blue ones, the blue hair rollers are actually making $6,500 a month with only 13 reviews, guys. Only 13 reviews. That's nothing. Alright, so let's look up. Okay, there's a guy selling 53 for $10, which is really low. But he's still making $6,200 a month off of 16 reviews. Let me see here. Alright, so we got this guy. He's making $4,500 a month for 44 reviews, and his product is priced at $13.99, which it's not that bad. You're probably going to be profiting somewhere around maybe $2,000, $2,500. Because you got to remember, guys, even though it's priced a little bit low, you gotta tack in also the weight of the product as well. So I think we found ourselves a potential product here, guys. Now, let's look up this one. Okay, so we have another guy on here selling for $12.99, making $3,200 a month, 15 reviews, 253 sales. Not bad, you know. So obviously these people are making some type of profit off it, whether it's $1,500 or $2,000 profit. And you gotta remember, guys, the weight for this product is probably really low, right? It's probably under 1 pound, especially if you're selling it in only 30 pieces or so. So that's definitely something you got to consider, guys. And the FBA fees is probably like $5.50, somewhere around there. So you're probably profiting around maybe $6 or so, $6 to $50 to maybe $7. So you're making a decent profit around this, and that's what it's all about, right? So let's go. All right. So that's so this is something that I think this might be a good potential product, right? Especially for people that are just starting to get on their first product, trying to jump on something. Let me see here. I want to click on this person and see how they're doing. They only have 26 reviews. Let's look at this person. Okay, so I mean, they're making $2,200 a month. And now, when we look at this guy though, this guy that we saw earlier, you can definitely compete with this guy. Now let's click on his listing here. Remember, guys, we're trying to sell this exact same model. And then, of course, we want to differentiate. So we might have just found ourselves a $17,000 revenue product a month. So, look at his pictures, very plain, very, we can do better than this, right? We can outsource this on Canva, or outsource this on Fiverr. We can, create transparent images. We can make this much better than what this guy's listing is. And we could probably differentiate as well. Remember, that's one of the most important things we want to do is differentiate. And when you look at these guys' products, right? When you go back here, when you look at these guys' products, they're all selling like the same exact thing, except in different amounts. We want to differentiate, right? So we want to go find the suppliers that has the exact same products. So we want to find the suppliers that have the exact same products and find a way to differentiate it. Whether it is, throwing in another type of, hair roller device. So, maybe we have this and then we throw in maybe, a couple of these here. Find a way to differentiate it, maybe change the color up a bit. And also you can like throw in an ebook or something, or throw in an e-manual, or throw in something like a product insert. I suggest you guys go the insert route instead of doing the ebook, because apparently it's a little iffy with the TOS of Amazon. But if you throw in an insert, throw in something that's going to be a guide for them to use, something that's going to be able to show them exactly how to use it. Because the first thing that you guys want to do, especially if you're trying to differentiate, is click on their listing real quick, right? And go down to the reviews and look at the review section and figure out what people want. Look at the one-star reviews, something that not a lot of people do. That's another hack that you guys should keep in mind. So we just found ourselves, a $17,000 a month product. Now, of course, like I said, if we throw all these things together, we differentiate. We figure out how we can get a video review for this product as a #1 review on a listing, and we get all the good pictures, right? And we rank for those keywords. There's no reason why we can't make the same money as this guy. And he only has what? He only has 65 reviews. Wait, is this the same guy? Yeah, he only has 65 reviews. Guys, like, we can do this as well. There's no reason why we cannot do this. And we can get more than 30 pieces, right? Maybe 40 pieces and price it for like $17.99, and throw in the add-on and make it close to $19.99 or $20 to give that extra value for that customer. So guys, this is definitely a cool method you guys can use. I just found $17,000 a month revenue products, and you can use this method for anything, right? Just go back to what we were looking at earlier. Just go on Google, Amazon bestseller, just find it again. Find other products. Go to different categories. Amazon bestseller. And then from here, the next step, of course, is we'll be going on Alibaba and figuring out, how much it costs to manufacture, how much it's going to cost to ship over, etc. So that's all you have to do, guys. It's very simple, and we literally just found a $17,000 a month profit in basically like 5 minutes. So definitely you guys consider this. This is definitely an awesome tool. You don't even need the web app if you guys don't want to. You just need to put a little bit more effort when it comes to product research. But if you take some time, take some effort, and have patience, you'll be able to find these products. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you got something out of this video and understand how to do this product research method. Very effective, very useful. And if you find products on here that don't look very good, but you're in a specific niche, scroll all the way down to the bottom and do this method like I was talking about before. Click these arrows here, find products that other people are buying with the other products that are related to it, and you'll be able to stumble upon a an awesome product. This is the golden section here. So with that being said, guys, make sure you like down below, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you tell me what you guys want to see next, right? I come out with these daily videos for you guys. I have templates down below for supplier templates, and also starting on Amazon in steps 1 through 10. So definitely check those out. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.